Another key witness took the stand in the Casey Anthony murder trial today. Her brother, Lee Anthony, testified that he tried to contact his sister repeatedly during the month when 2-year-old Kaylee was missing. He says when Casey finally came clean about her daughter's disappearance on July 15th, he noticed an odor coming from her car.
What do you recall about the smell of the car?
Just that it was very potent, very strong.
Was it an offensive smell?
Yes.
Did you approach the car?
I had to walk by to get to the door, but otherwise not by choice.
Casey's mother says the car smelled like a dead body. Casey's defense team says the little girl drowned in the family's swimming pool. Meanwhile, a local company is in that courtroom many days in Orlando. Legal Graphicworks, based on Palm Beach, has been hired by the defense to help the jury better understand this case.
Joining us tonight is Legal Graphicworks CEO Jim Lucas and Vice President Tyler Benson. Welcome, gentlemen. Jim, explain what your company does.
Well, we're a full-scale litigation support company. We specialize in putting courtroom presentations together. It's our job to take very complex information and scale it down to a very simplistic format so that the jurors can relate to it.
Tyler, specifically, what are you doing to help with the Casey Anthony case?
The scope of our responsibilities throughout the case is going to change as the case proceeds. But to this point, what we've mainly done is to produce the graphic exhibits for the defense team.
Jim, give us an idea of the technology we're seeing here.
Well, we have a lot of proprietary type software products that we use, and some of the regular on-the-market things like PowerPoint and Trial Director is one of our weapons of choice. Fortunately, in the Casey Anthony trial, the monitors are all touchscreen, so we can put some examples up. The attorneys can ask the witness to touch the screen, show a certain spot, so on and so forth.
And it looks like we're seeing animation here as well.
Yes, we do. We have some award-winning animators and graphic artists nationally that work for us. We try to surround ourselves with the very best people in the business, and we think they do a fine job for us.
Tyler, this looks expensive.
It can be. It depends how complex you want to get. Realistically, we do stuff that's very simplistic, and it just depends in our involvement during the actual trial. We can produce simplistic as a video clip, or we can get into full-scale animations that can last 5 minutes recreating a scene, and you know, they're priced accordingly. You
all also worked on the Dalia DiPolito trial. Why has this kind of technology become popular in the courtroom?
You know, the jury pools have become progressively younger. Subsequently, they have become more tech savvy. So they not only are used to seeing things presented to them in a multimedia format, they almost expect it these days.
All right, Tyler.
Jim Lucas, Tyler Benson, thank you for Legal Graphicworks for being here tonight
on
CBS 12.